Are you undecided whether to get the AMEX Platinum or the AMEX Gold Card? This is CreditWise, where we give the best tips to maximize your credit. Today, we will be comparing the AMEX Platinum and the AMEX Gold. We will tackle what you need to consider to give you a clearer path in making the choice of what to get. The AMEX Platinum and the AMEX Gold are two of the most popular cards in the market because they have so many benefits. They earn American Express membership rewards points at a very high rate in many different categories. If you want to use these points for travel, they are very valuable, so you can get things like free flights. You can do this by transferring your membership rewards points to one of American Express's many great travel partners. When you do this, you can usually find ways to redeem those points for 1.5 cents per point or even more, depending on what you're booking. As an example, let's look at the current welcome bonus offers for both of these cards, based on how much we think each point is worth. Now keep in mind that 1.5 cents per point is not an exact number. Also, the welcome bonuses here will vary depending on what's available for you at the time of your application. Right now, the most you can get as a welcome bonus from AMEX Platinum is 125,000 membership rewards points, while the most you can get from AMEX Gold is 75,000 points. At about 1.5 cents per point, the welcome bonus for the AMEX Platinum card is worth about $1,875. And the welcome bonus for the AMEX Gold card is worth about $1,125. If you want to get the most out of your membership rewards points, it's usually best to use them for travel instead of other things like cash back. This is because unless you have the Schwab version of the Platinum card, you can only redeem those points for cash as a statement credit for 0.6 per point with the regular Platinum or Gold card. Let's start with the AMEX Gold card as the first thing to evaluate. The annual fee for the AMEX Gold is $250. That card itself has a nice finish with either rose gold or a regular gold color. This $250 annual fee might seem like a lot at first, but there will be a $120 credit for Uber and a $120 credit for dining with certain partners that can offset the annual fee. When you add these two things together, your annual fee could drop to just $10. Just remember that these credits are broken up into monthly use it or lose it credits. You get $10 in Uber credits that you can use for Uber rides and Uber Eats, as well as $10 in monthly dining credits that you can use at Grubhub, Shake Shack, and a few other places. If you don't use those credits each month, they won't carry over to the next month, so make sure you use them. As long as you get good value from a large number of those credits, the AMEX Gold Card is a great everyday choice for most people. This is because it focuses on categories that earn points related to food, which is one of the biggest areas where most people spend money. You get 4x points for every dollar you spend at US grocery stores, up to $25,000 per year. 4x membership rewards points at restaurants, including those that deliver or offer takeout. Also, you get 3x points for every dollar you spend on flights. The AMEX Platinum card gives you a little bit more in this area. You can book with airlines directly or through amextravel.com. Both are good options. The Gold and Platinum card both have no fees for transactions made outside of the country. The AMEX Platinum is a much more high-end type of card for traveling. It is less about getting points in regular categories and more about bonuses and credits that have been listed. The Platinum card costs a hefty $695 every year. The physical card looks like a silver platinum and has a beautiful metallic finish. As with the Gold card, you can get annual credits to help with the annual cost. American Express took the opposite approach with the Platinum card and gave it many different types of credits. The AMEX Gold card, on the other hand, keeps things simple with only two types of credits that are easy for most people to use. In fact, the AMEX Platinum card comes with a lot of bonuses and credits. First, there is a $200 hotel credit that can be used at any of the luxury resorts and hotels in AMEX Travel's hotel selection. The fact that these credits can only be used with fine hotels and resorts or hotel collections is a little bit disappointing, considering that the hotels included in these collections that are made accessible via AMEX Travel may be pretty pricey. If this credit could be used for any hotel booking, it would be a terrific credit. There is a $240 digital entertainment credit that can only be used with Audible, the New York Times, SiriusXM, and Peacock, and it will be split into $20 credits each month. But many people don't like this digital entertainment credit because it can only be used for these four services at the moment. There is a $155 Walmart Plus credit that you could use. Then there's a $200 Uber credit that's similar to the AMEX Gold, but you'll get $15 in Uber cash every month and $35 in December. That's a total of $200. And again, you have to use it or lose it every month. The next thing is a $200 credits for airline incidental fees. The infamous $300 Equinox credit comes next. Equinox memberships are already very expensive, and this credit may not be worth anything. You'll also get a $100 Saks Fifth Avenue credit, which is split into two $50 credits, one for January to June and one for July to December. Just use your Platinum card at Saks Fifth Avenue and they'll give you back up to the credits amount for each of the 6-month periods. Although Saks Fifth Avenue is a little pricey, it's a respectable retailer, so if you buy there, this may be a great credit. There's also a Clear credit, a TSA pre-check or Global Entry credit, Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite status, and Hilton Honors Gold status, good trip delay and interruption insurance, and of course, access to airport lounges like the AMEX Centurion Lounge. If you like to travel, the AMEX Platinum card might be a good choice for you. In addition to the benefits and travel insurance that come with the AMEX Platinum card, every dollar you spend on flights booked directly with the airlines or through AMEX Travel will earn you 5x membership rewards points, and 5x points for every dollar spent on hotels booked through AMEXTravel.com. Now let's answer some of the most common questions people seem to have when they're trying to decide if they should get both of these cards or at least one of these credit cards. Both the AMEX Gold and the AMEX Platinum are charge cards. This means, in essence, that these cards don't have a set credit limit like a traditional credit card would. Instead, the amount you can spend on one of these cards is flexible and can change over time. It will depend on things like your payment history, your credit score, and other things like that. Keep in mind, if you're using your credit cards the right way, it shouldn't really matter that there's no credit limit on these charge cards. That means that you need to pay off your credit cards on time and in full every single month. People often ask, should I go from a gold card to a platinum card, or should I go from a platinum card to a gold card? Most individuals prefer to avoid upgrading or downgrading any of these cards unless they are absolutely necessary. Assume that you get 125,000 points from the platinum card as a welcome bonus when you sign up for that card. However, after a year or two, you realize that you're not getting as much use out of it and that you'd much prefer to have the gold card. So you think about downgrading from the platinum to the gold. You could do that, but you wouldn't get a welcome bonus on the gold card. American Express only lets you get one welcome bonus per card in your lifetime. So, you can only get one welcome bonus on the platinum card and one welcome bonus on the gold card. If you switch from a platinum card to a gold card and don't get the welcome bonus, you're just throwing away a lot of membership rewards points. You could instead cancel the platinum card because even though it's closed, it would still show up on your credit report for a while. From there, you can just apply for the gold card separately, get the welcome bonus there, and enjoy all the benefits that the gold card can give. So what card should you get? Think about the annual fee and the MR points you can get, as well as what to use the cards for. The annual fee for the gold card is only $250, and it comes with $240 in combined credits that you can use at places like Uber Rides, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Shake Shack, and a few other select dining partner locations. This makes it easy to lower your annual fee just to $10 per year. Not everyone will use all of these credits every year or get the most out of them every time they do. So not everyone will be able to lower the annual fee from $250 to $10. However, most people will be able to lower the annual fee by a lot. The AMEX Platinum, on the other hand, has an annual fee of $695. This card can be worth it if you can make good use of all the credits and benefits we've talked about in this video. However, that's a lot to keep track of, and most people won't be willing to do that with this card. This is one of the biggest complaints people have about the AMEX Platinum. It's too hard to keep track of. If you really get enough value out of all the credits and benefits that come with both the AMEX Gold and the AMEX Platinum, then it can be worth it to get both cards, even if you have to pay $945 in annual fees. Then again, the choice is always entirely up to you in the end. Use your credit wisely. From CreditWise, if you want to learn more tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like to help the algorithm of YouTube give you more of these types of content.